Hey, what's up guys, it's Alex here and today I'm gonna show you how to replace air filter on Genesis gv80. Pop your hood, super simple procedure. So pop your hood, it's gonna be a little lever here, just pop it up. This is the original part number for the air filter. So this is the air filter box. You're gonna open the box from here, just lift it up. There is two clips, so it's gonna be kind of hard. Then you need to move those two pins down and remove your air filter. As you can see, my air filter is a little bit dirty. And now, hard to do it with one hand, just stick it in your filter, bring those pins up, make sure it's tight, and then lock it. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Good luck.